Alright, what is good? So, I don't know, this could be the end of the video, this could be the beginning. I'm not sure where we've left off really at all, but what I'm going to do here is I'm going to get this radiator mounted. At first I was going to use a Honda radiator with a big fan on it, but then it wouldn't fit because the fan is so big and the radiator is a little small. So this is a Sirocco dual row. I've already had this for a while. I wasn't going to use it, and then I decided to use it. So yeah, I'm just going to cut this out. The reason I wasn't going to use it is because I didn't really feel like cutting this, but now I'm going to. It's just it's a better radiator. It's gonna work much more better. So yeah, we're just gonna zip this off, just enough to get a slip in there, and then see how she goes. Okie dokes, a little chopping and cutting later, and there it sits. And we still have to trim that out nicely so we can get our cap on and off, but it fits in there. Got room for a fan, all that good stuff. And then we have our AC condenser. Is that what it's called? I don't know. Fits in there good, plenty of room. Yeah, there she is. Alright, what is up, fellas? So I made this turbo manifold. I bought engine 7/8 pipe. I kind of guessed when I bought it. Probably should have bought 2-inch. It fits. I oiled them out. It fits decent, but I have to knock it down a little bit to fit right. So it's got a nice, not a huge gap. Hopefully this isn't too much of a pain. Other than that, everything else went pretty good. I made it out of 321 stainless. I probably should have recorded that, but I didn't. But, you know, so I'll show you when she's on there. Originally silicon bronze inside, or according to Burn stainless, that's the guide I read, is it's just a lot less heat, less stress in the material. It still gives it support. I'm with it. We're just filling her up. Alright, that's it. All that for a stock 16G turbo. But really, or no joke, that's what's going on there. I just built a manifold because I can, I guess. And I mean, they don't make a rear wheel drive manifold or these, so. And if they do, it's probably way more than what I paid for that pipe. So just cut the J pipe. I'm gonna kind of figure out, put the intercooler underneath there, and just kind of start plumbing that. all set up. Probably just gonna draw some lines, some Sharpie, and weld her up. Get out of the way. Get our aluminum weld on. Okie doke, so that's that on there, nice and pretty. As you can see, I had to switch to the GoPro. It's pretty slick, looks good to me. Now we're going to start working on the other side. I bought this 3-inch V-band to go into this Mustang throttle body, and that was too big. I misjudged it. So, we're not really going to mess with that right now. I'll probably buy something else. Fits on there nice, but we're working on the lower intercooler, and let's show you over here what we got. Alright, so we cut that end off to shorten it because it was pointed down and it was just too long. So we're gonna cut to that. Alright, there it is. It kind of welded like shit. I don't know what it was. I don't know if it's the aluminum or what, but I cleaned it with a steel brush, or stainless steel brush, and some acetone. But I mean, it's on there, it ain't going anywhere. So let's go test fit it. All right, so we got something like that. She goes down in there, and then she'll come up out real tight. Still have to make something to go there to there. Like I said earlier, the V-band, I'm not 100% sure, but we'll probably have to go smaller and then just cut this off. And actually, we can't use this because this is going to be way too close to that. Because as you can see, it's already real tight, so I'll just have to find another bend. No big deal. And that's that for now. Catch you later.